Samantala, isa pang celebrity reservist na tunay na nagsasabuhay ng pagmamahal sa bayan at serbisyo sa mamamayan ay si Major Jose Sixto Dingdong G. Dantes III, Philippine Navy Marines Reserve, na mas kilala sa showbiz industry bilang Dingdong Dantes, na isang sikat na aktor, direktor, TV host at commercial model. Isa rin siyang entrepreneur at ang chairperson ng Yes Pinoy Foundation Incorporated. Tumutulong sa out-of-school youth at mga anak ng fallen soldiers. Bukod dito ay isa rin siyang family man. Sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, isa rin siyang Reserve Officer ng Philippine Marine Corps. Paano nga ba nagagampanan ni Major Dantes ang lahat ng mga ito?
In my case, I make sure na wala namang overlap. Kunyari meron pong important event for the armed forces, masasabi ko po sa ating show business na meron pong mahalagang bagay, parang just the same way as kunyari halimbawa meron kang personal na lakad. At ganun din kapag dito sa affairs ko bilang isang reservist, kapag meron din naman pong mahalaga na kailangan gawin sa entertainment industry, naiintindihan naman. Para sa akin, this is what I love to do. And mahalaga po rin kasi na mayroong upbringing ng mga magulang. Kasi kaya nung bagit ko kanina, growing up, lumaki po ako sa isang pamilya ng mga tao, military people in the service. So doon pa lang na-inculcate na po sa akin. Plus yung suporta ng aking family ngayon because nai-inspire ako to really do more because of my role now as a father bilang ama saka bilang asawa.
Marami na rin ang mga napagdaanan ni Major Dantes bilang reservist. Kabilang dito ang training at pagsama sa iba't ibang aktibidad ng kanyang Marine Reserve Unit.
Pinaka-memorable was my 2-week training in the Marine Base Center natin. It was in 2007 po yata, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi naging part po kami ng kauna-unahang batch ng MOBT, ng Marine Officers Basic Training, together with the doctors and lawyers and mga technical reservists. The whole experience was really unforgettable kasi siyempre kasama po namin nagtitraining din yung mga nandun, and at the same time we really got to experience firsthand how it was to become a tago. Pero siyempre iba rin naman talaga yung sa organic, pero kahit papaano we were made to feel, diba, kung ano po talaga yung kinakailangan training. And para sa akin, yung pinaka-unforgettable din, siyempre, gigising ng alas 4, mag-5 kilometer run paakyat gamit yung may mga gamit dito sa likod. Plus, of course, it's really the camaraderie of the group. Kasi hanggang ngayon, very much intact po kami ng mga kasama kong training. Mas nagagamit ko sa pang-araw-araw na buhay, not just as a professional, but also in my personal life. Kasi yung discipline na natutunan ko, discipline when it comes to resiliency, discipline when it comes to efficiency, discipline when it comes to consistency sa lahat ng bagay. Halimbawa, siyempre sa tahanan namin, kailangan ako bilang isang ama, bilang isang asawa, ako yung protector ng pamilya. Napakarami ko pong natutunan dito sa values dito sa military at during my training na i-impart ko sa aming tahanan. Much more sa aking professional life. Halimbawa, as an actor, yung disiplina ng resiliency, parati ko pong nagagamit yan dahil we are always under pressure whenever we are doing scenes. Mahihirap yung maeksena minsan under extreme weather situations, tas kailangan mo mag-dialogue, mag-memorize, etc. Yung pag-multitask na ganito, I think I owe these attributes to my experience being a reservist.
Bilang isang individual at highest-ranking celebrity reservist sa ngayon, na ipapakita ni Major Dantes ang kanyang malasakit sa bayan at sa mga mamamayan sa pamamagitan ng patuloy niyang paglilingkod.
Po kasi naniniwala po kasi na everyone at a certain point, at some point, will be called to serve humanity and even the country. Pero siyempre may kanya-kanyang entry point po yan, may kanya-kanyang paraan. But for me, this was my choice back in 2006. So, naniniwala din po ako na kung gusto natin manilbihan sa bayan, mahirap gawin siya directly kung ikaw lang ang gagawa nito. Kaya yung choice ko po ay I will serve the country by serving the military organization. Kasi by serving the military organization, you also in a way empower whatever is help in whatever media needs na meron ang organization. I help in contributing my platform to whatever advocacy the AFP has. To be very, very specific, halimbawa, marami, kasi dalawa o tatlong mga malalaking disasters po ang kinabilangan namin. And at that time, we called out for donations, we called out for volunteers, we did the packing and distribution of relief goods. Itong mga bagay na to na nangailangan ng mga warm bodies, doon po pumasok yung network, kumbaga, yung pagtulong using the network of our industry to help the organization in order for the organization to help more people.
Sa patuloy niyang pagsiservisyo at pagharap sa kanyang mga gampanin, may mga plano at layunin pa rin si Major Dantes kaugnay sa kanyang paglilingkod bilang bahagi ng Reserve Force.
I stay longer in the organization, mas marami pong akong nare-realize not just about myself, but also about the capacity of the organization. So, kumbaga, kung ito yung kaalaman ko nung nagsimula ako, mas palawak ng palawak po siya. Therefore, hence, pati yung expectation mas nag-i-increase, diba? Pas, kumbaga, nasusurprise din po ako parati sa mga ano pang po pwede palang mangyari. Kasi yung needs din po natin as a country ay nag-i-evolve. So, kailangan we are also very, very fast in adapting sa pangangailangan. I'm very, very proud to be part of the organization. It has helped me in so many ways, not just in my personal life, but also in my professional life. And para sa akin, may kanya-kanya po talagang roles tayong kailangan gampanan. To be very, very specific, isang nakakatuwang halimbawa dyan ay si Rocco Nascimento. Siya po kasi isang registered nurse, among many others. He's also a mixed martial arts trainer. So, parati kami nagkikwentuhan na yung pagiging nurse niya, nako-contribute niya kung mayroong mga medical mission. Yung kanyang mixed martial arts, siguro pwede rin siya mag-share ng mga bagay na pakonti-konti doon sa capacity ng ating armed forces. So, yung mga ganong bagay, nakakatuwa, whether in the entertainment industry or not. I find it very, very fulfilling to talk about these things with my fellow reservists.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.